Welcome back on Zer Studio Animation Shorts channel. Today we gonna see how to mastering figure and anatomy drawing in 21 days for better 2D animation. Well, it a pretty simple process. The main things in this is to stay consistent, disciplined and be ready to work hard even if you don't want to do it at the moment. So, go to Pinterest, research for anatomy references, take a model and redraw it first with rectangular forms, then draw the full body. Do this for 21 days and watch the results on your animation. Follow me for more tips and enjoy this shorts. Follow me for more tips and enjoy this shorts.